In this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate apps on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And now there on my home screen you see two TikTok icons. I can hit on one of them and it opens up my TikTok account, and now I can hop it out and hit on another icon and you see that the same video is playing, so it basically the same TikTok accounts. So it's not exactly the duplicate of app, but it's duplicate of app icons, and let me show you how to do that. And all you have to do is you have to swipe to the left until app library is open, and there find the app that you want to duplicate, hit on that icon and move it to your screen. Now you see how it works. And basically that's it. So now you know how to duplicate app icons on your iPhone, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.